6 divided by 1/6 times 1. That times 1 at the end makes this look innocent, but it's about to wreck you. Most people look at this and think 6 divided by 1/6 is 1, right? Then 1 times 1 is 1. Simple math. The answer is 1. Wrong. Here's the mistake. 6 divided by 1/6 is n-1. Dividing by a fraction flips your intuition. Dividing by 1/6 is the same as multiplying by 6. How many sixths fit into 6? 36 sixths fit into 6. Let's do this correctly. 6 divided by 1/6 equals 36. 36 times 1 equals 36. The answer is 36, not 1. You were off by 36 times because fractions break your brain. Dividing by a small fraction makes numbers explode, not shrink. If this destroyed you, smash that like button and subscribe. Fractions are the ultimate trap, and I'm here to help you survive them.